Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class 7th. Hope you all are doing good and congratulations to those who have secured good grades and have been promoted to class 7th. So, your class 7th English literature syllabus comprises of a novel called Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. Before reading the novel, we should have some knowledge, we should have some background knowledge and introduction to the novel and some information about the writer. We should know what this novel is about and what particular events are going to take place in the novel, whether the novel is so this before so let's begin our lecture of introduction to the novel. The story is about an Englishman called Robinson Crusoe. So the main character is Robinson Crusoe. The story is about Robinson Crusoe, and he is an Englishman, and he loved sailing and became rich by trading in different parts of the world. Sailing means traveling by sea. समुंदर पे travel करना in a ship, so that means he had a ship. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो के पास एक शिप थी जिसमें वो समुद्री सफ़र करता था, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वॉयज, एंड बिकेम रिच बाय ट्रेडिंग इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो एज यू ऑल नो, ही यूज्ड टू सेल, he used to travel by sea, and he used to go to the different parts of the world, and he would travel and he would take some goods with him to the different parts of the world. वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सामान ले जाके उस सामान को सेल करता था, वहाँ एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सामान लेके जाता था, एंड दैट्स हाउ ही बिकेम रिच. इस तरह ही यूज्ड टू अर्न बाय ट्रेडिंग. He bought a farm in Brazil and lived there, but one day he set off again to sail to West Africa. So he started living in Brazil, and he bought a farm and started living in Brazil. Brazil में रहना उसने शुरू कर दिया एक farm लेके. But as you all know, he was fond of sailing. उसको शौक था sailing का, and it was his job as well. So he set off again to sail to West Africa. West Africa. He started his journey towards West Africa. West Africa की तरफ उसने जाना शुरू किया. अपनी जर्नी उसने वेस्ट अफ्रीका की तरफ स्टार्ट की. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हिज शिप वॉज wrecked in a storm. Unfortunately means बदकिस्मती से his ship was wrecked means destroyed in a storm, may be a sea storm. कोई समुद्री तूफान आ गया और उसकी शिप डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई, and he got stuck there. He swam to a desert island and found himself all alone. That means his ship was wrecked and he was no more on his ship, और he was about to drown. वो डूबने ही वाला था. and then he swam to a nearby island. किसी island की तरफ वो swim करके, एक desert island था. desert means there was nobody on the island. He was all alone on the island, and there was no traces of human beings on the island. वहाँ पे इंसानों के या रहने के no traces of living, रहने के कोई इम्कान नहीं था वहाँ पे. So he had to build his own house, find his own food, and protect himself from danger, including wild animals and cannibals, people who eat humans. So there was nobody and no traces of living and humans, so he had to build his own house, and there were no houses on the island. Island पे कोई घर नहीं थे. There was nobody living on the island. It was a deserted island. So he had to build his own house. उसको अपना घर खुद बनाना पड़ा, since you all know वहाँ पे कोई भी रहने की ट्रेसेस नहीं थे, निशानात नहीं थे, कोई इंसान नहीं रहते थे वहाँ पे. और उसको अपनी फूड जो था, एंड ही फाउंड हिज ओन फूड, अपना खाने का बंदोबस्त भी उसे ख़ुद करना पड़ा. एंड प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम डेंजर, जो जितने भी ख़तरे थे उससे खुद को खुद ही उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना था, एज इट वाज अ डेजर्टेड आइलैंड. एंड चांसेस वर देयर माइट बी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, जो ख़तरनाक जानवर होते हैं. देयर माइट बी स्नेक्स एंड देयर माइट बी सम cannibals. So cannibals are also important part of this story. This story is also about cannibals. So कैनिबल्स आर दोज पीपल हु ईट ह्यूमन्स, जो कि इंसानों को खाते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड कैनिबल्स, वैश्य जिनको कहते हैं. सो देयर माइट हैव बिन कैनिबल्स ऑन द आइलैंड. इसके ट्रेसेस भी मिलते हैं. एंड ही हैड टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड कैनिबल्स एज वेल. Robinson Crusoe is based on the true story of Alexander Selkirk. So this story is a true story. There might be some events that are not true, that are fictional. कुछ events story में हो सकते हैं जो true ना हो, but the main story plot is true, that is based on a true story. और जिसकी story है, जिस Robinson Crusoe is a fictional name. That is, the story is not really about Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is only a character of the story. वो एक character है Robinson Crusoe, and असल में ये story जिसके बारे में थी उसका नाम था Alexander Selkirk. ये story actually Alexander Selkirk के बारे में है, and writer Daniel Defoe has just chosen his story and he has changed the character's name. In 1704, Selkirk was sailing in the Pacific Ocean. 1704 में the person this story is about, called Selkirk, was sailing. He was traveling by sea in the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean में sail कर रहा था off the coast of South America. That off the coast means far from the coast of South America. South America के साहिल से दूर. To watch the Spanish and Portuguese merchant ships for the English government. तो वो सेल कर रहा था पैसिफिक ओशन में, साउथ अमेरिका से थोड़ा सा दूर. जो स्पेनिश और पोर्तुगीज़ मर्चेंट्स थे, मर्चेंट्स मीन ट्रेडर्स, जो कि ट्रेडिंग करते थे. दे यूज टू ट्रेड गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर. दे यूज टू टेक गुड्स फ्रॉम एंड सेल दोज थिंग्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. तो वो मर्चेंट शिप्स को देख रहा था. ही वॉज वॉचिंग द मर्चेंट शिप्स and for that he was doing for the English government. That means it was his job. Trading was his job. The stormy season came and the ship was damaged. So there was a storm. There was a season of storms. वहाँ पे जो था समंदर में तूफ़ान का मौसम था. And the season of storm came and the ship was damaged. Whenever there's a storm in the sea, समुद्र में जब भी कोई तूफ़ान होता है, it's very difficult to float on the water for ships and boats. आसानी से पानी में तैर नहीं सकती. They cannot travel easily on the water. So the ship was damaged. तबाह हो चुकी थी. The captain William Dampier, so the name of the captain was William Dampier, stopped at an island called Mas Ataira. So keep this thing in mind that the captain, now we are talking about Alexander Selkirk. We are not talking about right now Robinson Crusoe. So the captain William Dampier was with Alexander Selkirk, not Robinson Crusoe. अभी हम Robinson Crusoe की स्टोरी पे नहीं आए. अभी हम सिर्फ स्टोरी प्लॉट की बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि असल में जिसके बारे में थी ये स्टोरी, उनके साथ कैप्टन थे विलियम डैम्पियर. स्टॉप्ड एट एन आइलैंड कॉल्ड मैस अटायरा. वो एक आइलैंड पे जिसका नाम था मैस अटायरा, उस पे रुके. 400 माइल्स फ्रॉम द कोस्ट ऑफ चिली. चिली एक प्लेस है, उस प्लेस का नाम है चिली. और उसके जो शायद उसके पास कहीं उससे 400 माइल्स दूर रुके थे कैप्टन और अलेक्जेंडर सेल्क्रिक. So that's all for today. We'll get to know more about the novel, more about the writer, and we'll complete our introduction to the novel in the next video lecture. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.